these are going to be one of the topics that it's either you're going to love it or you're going to hate it. There's kind of really no in between, because a lot of people that I've read beforehand, it's kind of a mixed review. So let's just jump into it. So I actually do not like the auto start stop, and it's not even the reasoning because a lot of people, well, it's gonna ruin your motor. Yes, these motors are designed to be running. They are designed to just turn it on, leave it on, and not be shutting off all the time. Yeah, I'm sure there's some wear and tear on the motor and everything else, but overall, it's just more of annoying than anything to me. There's a company called Smart Stop Start. Yeah, it's like a little tongue twister. It's basically a plug and play, and it doesn't do anything harm. It just basically overrides it and just kind of makes it remembers that you turned it off. It's really annoying to me that I got to keep pushing it. So let's just jump into the garage and get it installed. I will say that this came super fast. This was ordered on Saturday and it came in yesterday, which was Monday. And that's pretty quick. It came out of Virginia and it came in really quick. So it also free shipping up to Canada for you Canadian people. So let's just open up the box and see what it comes in with. So it comes with your instructions, your little adapter, and some zip ties. That's kind of cool. That actually comes with a 10 mil. It comes with an actual 10 millimeter wrench. That's kind of cool. It comes with some zip ties. This is pretty handy, so you guys can use the Velcro to stick it. And it comes with a 10 millimeter nut. And then it comes with the actual module itself. So what this module is actually doing, it's actually tricking the computer system, or giving it basically a small little brain. So when you push it, it's going to stay, it's going to remember that you turned it off. So then you can pretty much don't have to worry about it. So let's jump into the truck and get this thing installed. It's a super easy install. So first off, all we're going to do is disconnect this top nut right here, which is actually kind of cool that they actually supply you a nut for here. $10 mil socket or open-end little wrench here. Put that in your little toolbox. So then the next step, you're going to see this little tiny red locking pin. Just going to push up on that, then push in. Just going to push down. It's pretty tight in there, so you're going to have to really push, and then this will just kind of pop out. So then you're basically taking these two little plugs and just kind of putting this little adapter right in the middle. So, and then you want to make sure that you have your little arrows facing the way that they're supposed to be, like so, like that. And then make sure that you push this red locking tab in. So make sure it's locked, and then you're going to take this one and then push that in there, push that down, make sure that's nice and solid and locked. And then you can take your little Velcro, and you can just put it like right there or wherever you really want to mount it. I think I'm actually just going to mount it. Let me have this. I'm going to stick it right here, and then be all good to go. I'll put it right on the battery on the side. There you go. And that's the entire install. So that is literally the install, just basically unplug and plug. It is literally a plug and play system. After you guys are done installing the smart start, before I mess up the have a big tongue twister, you gotta wait roughly about 8 hours for it to be fully disabled. So if you guys get home from work or something like that, throw it in the vehicle, get it installed, and do your night. It's still okay to drive, but the function will still be working. It's trying to learn, it's trying to do its thing, and it just takes a little time to kind of move around in the computer system, or however it really truly works. I'll be honest, I have no idea how it actually reads it, but it takes roughly a one-time 8 hours. So then after those 8 hours, it's always disabled. And then it also tells you how to, if you decide you don't want it on anymore, you can actually remove it and get your start-stop function back together. Once it's in, I'm just leaving it in because personally I hate going up to the red light and then all of a sudden, oh, it's a green light, and then you hear that clunking noise because it stopped and then it's trying to get back up. So I'm gonna end up spinning my truck around, and we're gonna finish this video up tomorrow.
A few moments later.
So one thing I did forget about to tell you guys gotta let it sit with your car locked. It says it right in the instructions actually, for roughly around 8 hours. So after you guys install it, lock your car, even if it's in an enclosed garage like my truck goes into. Just let it sit for 8 hours and leave it locked. I think it's just to help shut down all the computer systems and everything else, whatever it has to do, because I don't know the whole background of how it actually turns it off. But while I'm driving right now, and I was at a couple stops, it has not kicked on, so it's working. So I'm pretty happy with it. Oop, gotta run. So we're gonna get up here and let's just see if it shuts off. One thing you also want to remember to test it, make sure all your AC is completely turned off, and because if you leave your AC on, it will actually keep your truck running. So just kind of keep that in thought and whatnot. I mean, we're at a dead stop. And I believe this is not going to shut off. It's just basically tricking the computer system, saying that it is disabled. So we are at a complete dead stop right here, and it's still running. So you guys see I'm at a dead stop right here. This light is actually still on, but the motor is still running. So in my eyes, that is showing that it's been disabled. So you guys are gonna still see that this, the yellow light is showing. So if I hit this, it's gonna be off. So now in my eyes, it's showing that it is disabled. So this is probably like the third or fourth red light that I've hit. So leave me down in the comments what you guys think of the of this. It's a tongue twister, of the Smart Start module. It's super easy. It's one of those products that I absolutely would love because it's a plug and play system. Basically plug it in and forget about it, and it's super easy to install. Just remember, after you install it, you have to let your car sit for about 8 hours. So just do it at night and hit the lock button and forget about it and wait until the morning. So down in the comments down below what you guys think. If this is your first time checking out my channel, my name is Tony. Greatly appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe button and the like button. It does me wonders. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. And we got big things coming to this channel, especially this weekend, and you guys should see it hopefully very soon, if not earlier next week. So I greatly appreciate you guys watching my channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.